Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to fix the Call of Duty Modern Warfare dev error 11153. And to get started, the first thing you guys can actually do is just simply restart your PS5. And once you do that, just wait anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. And yeah, once you turn your PS5 back on, just go back to see if the error code has been fixed. And if the error code has not been fixed, the second method you guys can do is head over to home. You're going to click on the options button on your controller and you're going to delete the game, and then you're just going to simply reinstall it. And then you can also check to see if that works. If that does not work, the third method you guys can do is turn your PS5 off. So just simply turn off PS5 and then unplug all the wires from the PS5. So wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and once that is done, just replug the wires and turn the PS5 back on and check to see if the game has been fixed. The fourth method you guys can do is when you guys are like in the campaign itself, so just like restart the mission that you were on. So for example, just restart the mission, and then what you're gonna do is put the difficulty to the lowest difficulty possible, so accurate or whatever it was, and yeah, that should be it, and that should hopefully fix the error code. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.